Step into the history itself while strolling down the beautiful historical museum of Kanchipuram, popularly referred as Kanchi Kudil. This place is a traditional house-turned-museum and is perfect to capture a glimpse of ancient Kanchipuram and its culture. A heritage tour to this enticing museum helps you to know about the traditional lifestyle of the town through its incredible exhibits. You are about to step into a 100-year-old house maintained intact with all the items used by the joint families back then. The name of the house is Kanchi Kudil and it is located in Kanchipuram, a historic town in South India. Kanchipuram was mentioned in Mahabhyasa, a work of Sanskrit scholar Patanjali in 2nd century BC. The history of this city extends to a few centuries before that. Kanchipuram is famous for its huge temples and silk saris. It is one of the best cultural destinations of South India. Another striking feature of old houses in South India is kolam. It is a decorative painting, often done in front of the houses and in few cases, also within the houses. The kolam in the above photograph is permanent and painted, but generally it is drawn using white powder which is temporary as it can be deleted and other kolam designs can be made on subsequent days. Kolam is also found in puja rooms in South Indian houses. Not just this, the museum also welcomes you with the traditional style of architecture wherein replicas of locals are put up on display to give a better insight of the town's culture that prevailed some 100 years ago. For the display, this must-see museum in Kanchipuram has an exclusive collection of ancient relics which include wooden swings, rocking chairs, utensils, and furniture that altogether takes you back in the history itself. Moreover, the house also has several old paintings, and photographs of women with traditional jewelry on the wall along with over a century-old lamp. Even the natives' replicas are also kept on display dressing up with traditional outfits. Along with that, this beautiful museum also has a puja room which elaborates how people during old time used to pay homage to their god. Here, you can relate the ancient time through the sculptures, photos of deities, and items that were used for puja in the ancient time that all are now kept on display. This one-of-a-kind museum in Tamil Nadu also has a rock floor kitchen which exhibits traditional crockeries and utensils. In the middle of the hall, there is a large swing. On the other side, there is the ladies' changing room. One can see paintings and photos of women with traditional jewelry. There is even a model of a woman with silk sari and jewelry. Some crockery items used in the earlier days are displayed here along with the stove which used firewood or perhaps coal. There were quite a number of showcases with decorative items, mostly consisting of statues of God and a few toys. Have a look at one such showcase. As you further explore the house, you'll get to see more yet equally enticing relics in the form of decorative items and toys. Therefore, don't dare to exclude this treasure trove from your list of places to visit in Tamil Nadu while touring South India for some warm and surreal experience. Visiting timings all days, 9 morning to 5 evening.